Okay, so in section 2.4, we're going to do set operations with Venn diagrams, but this time we're going to do 3 sets instead of 2 sets. So very similar to 2.3, except we're just going to add a set. So recall, right? So in section 2.3, right, we worked with the universal set. All right, maybe call that U, or we've been calling it U. And we had a set, A, right? That's my set A. And then I had my, I had my set B. Okay, that's not a nice circle, but that's my set B. And here we divided, all right, these regions. There was 4 regions, and the 4 regions, right, the intersection of A and B, right, was 1. Right, 2 was, right, everything, right, this piece of A that's not in the intersection. A third region was all of B, and then a fourth region was everything outside of A and B, right? So, right, this guy, right, remember that represented the intersection of A and B. You can call it region 1, region 2, it doesn't matter, it's just to label it, but for now, let's just leave it like this. There was another region, right? Maybe blue. Let's see. Let me get, I don't know, pink, right? This was another region, right? And then finally, everything outside of A and B is in black, right? All of this space. Okay, so now in section 2.4, right, we're just expanding. So here again, 4 regions, and let me make this a little bit bigger. Okay, so I have my universal set. There's my U. Okay, and now I'm going to have set A, set B, and set C. And again, the circles don't have to be, they don't have the same area. I mean, unless the sets are exactly the same. Okay, so here, right there, the intersection of A, B, and C, right, is right there, right? A, B, and C, right? Those are the elements that they have in common. But here, again, it's our, the 3 intersecting sets actually separate the universal set into 8 regions. Okay, so here it's 8 regions, and I might as well write it here. This is 4 regions. All right, remember the outside, right? That's my number 4. Okay, so let's just color code this a little bit, right? So this is, I don't know, just call this, that's another region, right? Whatever's in there. Let's see, I have this blue or purplish, that's another region. Let's see, this dark pink, that's another region. And this is going to be very helpful. Again, the goal of this chapter is to solve these survey problems in 2.5. And the way you're going to attack it is you're going to work from inner to outer, and you're going to actually find the cardinality of this set, of the green set. And then you're actually going to just work your way outwards. And so let's see, just to fill out, right, that's another region. Let's see, I'm running out of colors. There's a kind of grayish, or actually, it looks too much. Let's see. I'm trying to find a different color here. Okay, so yeah, would be C, and then the last one. Let's see, I have orange. Okay, so then this is orange. Okay, now the book here labels on page 86, right, they call region the white part, right? They call it region 1. It doesn't have to be region 1. You can call, this region 1 or this region 1. It's just to label your region, so you can refer to them later. And then they call this region 2, right? That's the purple, light purplish, right? Region 3 would be that orange. Region 4, right, would be this guy. Region 5, they're calling that the intersection. Region 6 is this pink or reddish. And then region 7 is this blue. And then region 8, right, is everything outside of that set. Okay, so we're dividing, again, 3 intersecting sets separates the universal set into 8 regions. So this is the big picture.